Good morning, YouTube. Good night, YouTube. Whatever the fuck it is. Check 1, 2. I made me today a homemade wire stripper. I just made it in about 5 minutes. I haven't quite did my tweaking to it, so you're going to see me put my wire in, and the way that it is supposed to be cutting, it's not cutting. So I have to put it in one way and then pull it back out the same way, but watch how it cuts it. Use some wire from right here that I have. Some old wire I just found laying around here in the garage. I'll go ahead and just cut it probably about maybe 10 inches of a piece. All right, now I'm supposed to be bringing it through this backside and pulling it through, but I'm gonna pull it through the front and then pull it back. But as you can see, I attempted to try to drill a hole through this razor blade to put it going across these two grooves, but it didn't happen. So I've got it rigged up. Some people would like to call it nigger rigged, which it is right now because I haven't tweaked it. But check 1, 2. Into the hole it goes. I think I might need some hair around it. Okay, there we go. All right, it's in there. It's going. All right. Got it all the way through. Check my wire stripper out. See, usually I would not have ever even did this. I'd have just snipped the socket end off and sent it onto the scrap yard. But you actually do get more money for what I'm about to show you. I pull it in this way and it's supposed to come off, but my mechanism is working the total opposite way. As you can see, it's not quite. I did a couple pieces before I did this, so fuck it, it worked out real smooth on the first 2 attempts. It's like my 5th one, but gotta be in the gym too. Pull that shit on up out of there. That fast, so much faster than what I used to do when I used to really be into scrapping. But we got some stuff right there, baby. We got a little something going on. We got just a little something going on, but that's Rob Ward the Don's wire stripper. Stay tuned for part 2. Part 2, this will be constructed into a fully functionable, the way it is supposed to work mechanism. I guarantee, and if not, I will come up with something better than this, something easier. Got an old saw up there with a motor in it, so you know what that means. Stay tuned. See you later, baby.